Hey guys, it's Anthony Bandier here, attorney senior legal instructor for Blue to Gold Law Enforcement Training, bringing you the roadside chat from beautiful Castle Rock, Colorado. Officer, this is a cop, I believe in Texas. Officer pulled up to an intersection and looked and saw a driver with a small white paper in his hand, so rolling paper, okay? Then in his lap, he was like pinching something and putting it into the paper. He did not see it was like marijuana, maybe like a little bit of a tinted window and so forth, but he's pinching something and putting it into this white piece of paper and then rolling it and licking it as if like a joint, okay? The officer, again, could not see that it was marijuana and so forth. Can we make that traffic stop? Yes, okay? So do we have reasonable suspicion or a moderate chance that what that guy is rolling up right now is a joint? Let's just use some common sense here. Is it possible that that is a tobacco cigarette? Sure. Is it probable? Probably not. That's probable cause, but even a moderate chance. People, very rarely do I see people, at traffic lights making their homemade cigarettes and so forth, and by pinching tobacco and putting it into a rolling paper. That's not my common experience. That's not what I think people are making. I think they're normally making marijuana. I think most people still, even though it's expensive, most people get their cigarettes from a carton, and most people get their marijuana from a baggie. I think that an officer with some level of experience and some kind of common sense here could articulate that there is a moderate chance that this particular individual is rolling up a joint at a stoplight that would absolutely be illegal in the vast majority of states, even in states that allow recreational use marijuana, because it looks like they're about to smoke and drive. Okay, so I think there's reasonable suspicion here. Then when we stop the vehicle, we go from there. All right? I hope this question has helped you get it right every single time. If you like what I'm doing here, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, share with your friends. Until next time, my friends, you stay safe.